One.
Is pain.
It is
Pain.
gift from
Mother.
Ate Dash. Ha? Yung gift.
From the top.
Oh, gift from Ate Dash.
And let's open this. Wait, let's open here. I don't know how it's open this way.
Okay. You know how to open it? Is it like that? So here. This one. Oh, what is that? Oh, what are these?
It's open. Pain.
What's that? A pencil case?
No.
Hmm?
He said kanino because he doesn't have paint daw.
That's sad because he doesn't have paint. But you have lots of gift, oh. Oh,
What's this?
oh.
Open it.
What's that?
Oh.
That's a pencil case.
It can be, but it's not.
Ah, baliktad. Ah. It's a paint watercolor. It's a watercolor from TikTok.
Now let's open the
Ah,
next
Shopee pala,
gift.
Shopee. Sige, next gift, next.
Wait
Okay, thank you Ate Dash for the gift.
Wait a minute.
Okay, cover the gift.
Next
Put it-
one
put it-
is
Away properly.
This one.
Okay.
This one, which
Oh,
is out
oh,
of
that's my gift from you.
Yeah.
From me.
Yeah.
That's a gift from me. Sorry, wrong grammar. Open. Gift a gift. Scissor, Ate Dash.
Oh,
Pag yung nangangalawang, ha?
bad boy. This is bad.
Ah.
A bad boy.
Use it later.
Yeah. For the bigger ones.
What's that inside?
Later, you open later the big one.
Okay, that's for the final. Yeah. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. That's for your
With mommy.
that's for your schooling, okay?
Okay, next.
Next. Ayaw mo yung education, ha? Langya ka.
Let me find the this one.
Oh, next. What's that?
I don't know.
Oh,
Okay.
what's that one? Oh, careful. Tara. What's that? Wow! That is too many crayons! Oh my G!
From who? From
That is?
Ninong Ma. Tito Ma.
Oh, Tito Mac and Tito Bea. That is from Ninong Mac. Ayan, Ninong. Thank you po, Ninong Mac.
Baby, you say thank you after opening a present.
Who's that? Kanina to? Kanina to?
Mga walang name nga eh.
Oo nga.
Ay, ito.
Ayan.
Ay, kay Ninang Lian.
Yay! Kay Ninang Lian. Thank you po. Say thank you.
Thank you po.
Okay.
I'm distracted. Ako na.
Wait, come on.
Ako na.
Punitin mo.
Be careful, please. Tigil ka eh.
Kaya nakakatakot na higigil. What's that?
Ooh.
Ooh.
A race car.
A race car, Marvel. What do you gonna say?
Thank you. Oh.
Thank you. Thank you, Ninang. Okay. Later ulit. Ano naman? Patingin. Wow, cool. It's a remote control. Okay.
Next.
Thank you very much. Next, who's that from?
Lolo. From Lolo niya.
From Kuya Lolo. Thank you, Kuya Lolo.
You can have it off.
You just steer it.
Be careful with your fingers, ha? You read it open pa.
Sige, yan.
Yan.
Wow! It fits. Adjustable yan.
Adjust natin. Okay,
Adjustable yan, mga
lang.
bits.
Long.
Okay na. Okay na.
Baby, try it na. Dali,
Ah,
dali
okay.
na. Pakapunta na naman.
Ah. Ayan. Thank you. Okay, next.
Ninang ka.
Yan. Sige. Kanino to? Kay Ninang from Ninang Jing. Thank you po, Ninang Jing.
Is that
Okay.
Mga kakatuhan, galing yun.
Oh, tama na. Okay na.
May picture sila.
Oh, wait.
Kamukha niya.
Oh.
You can rip it open naman, baby. Sayang yung lalog yun.
Ako na. Ako na.
I can see one.
Mama,
Can
pasturo.
I help you? No?
Help me.
Kasi. Yan mo na lang ng background audio mo yan. Wait lang. Be careful.
Stapler. What's that?
Bye.
Wow! It's a bedtime Bible. Thank you po, Ninang Jing. May assignment na naman siya. Ayos, the bigger. Kanina yan. Wait. Check mo na. Kanina to. From Ninang, Elia, and Kuya Jam. Okay, what's that?
Another one.
Oh. What's this one?
I saw it.
It's an induction cooker. Hindi, induction aircraft pala.
Thank you.
Whoa! A chopper aircraft. Wow! Lakers! Kobe Bayan.
This is heavy.
Ay, kanina to. Wait lang. From Ninong Kim. Thank you po, Ninong Kim.
Oh, it's starting to rip.
Hey, be careful with the staplers, ha?
Mama. Can I help you?
Be careful with the staplers.
I got this from my dad.
Here. I get it now, or you're the one who get?
I get.
Oh!
Oh, that's the one that you saw later today. Wow! Thank you, Ninong Kim. So astig. From kanino to?
Lola Bet and Lolo Dodo.
Wait lang, tingnan natin. From Lola Bet and Tito Dong.
Lolo.
Lola Dong.
It's got it down.
Wait lang.
Wow! What's that?
It's a Lego.
Wow, it's a Lego crocodile. Yeah, there.
Oh,
Maybe there's more there.
There. Oh.
Maybe the smaller ones though.
Oh, smaller ones. Okay.
so bad.
Wait. First time ako broken ng gift. Nandito ka dyan.
Kanina to. From Turain. From
Tita Jen.
Ninang Jen. Makawilay.
Ako na.
Did I pronounce that properly?
Ninang.
Wow.
Wow. Talong lang.
What's that?
Oh,
Wow! It's a shorts!
It's pantulog.
Nice,
Lagi
pantulog.
siya nagkanang pantulog kayo.
Yay!
Sleep na. Meron pa. Maybe there's more inside here.
There's one inside.
Is this okay?
if you're one of oh,
You want your sticker?
Lagi na ino-open ko.
Whoa! What's that? Aqua Flash. Ang daming wawa. Wow! Ang laki naman yan. Wow, thank you po. Ang laki po nung gift. Patingin.
Walang name. Kay Tita.
Ayan, patingin.
Tita Mops. Kay Tita.
Let's see. Wow! Thank you po, Ninang Jen. Ay, mamay picture natin lahat ng gift pag sama-samahin. What's that? Another one? Oh my goodness! It's my baso from the car. Joke lang. From Tita Zia, Tita Maps, ata yan.
Hindi.
There's one more. Yeah.
There's one more.
Cookies.
What's that? Wow, that's mine. Thank you very much. Wow.
Biscuits.
Wow, let me see the baso. Whoa. So nice.
Mine. Next here. There's one. Ay.
I
I'll open the box later. Ito muna. Ito kay Tita.
Ito. Ito kay Tito Ninong Julius ito. Ninong Julius. Ayan.
It's already open.
Wow! What's the gift of Ninong Julius?
Sorry na ako, huwag na ka mag-explain sa amin.
What's that?
Oh, take
It's a savings box. Talagang accountant yan. No? Savings box.
this open.
Akin na, akin na. Akin na, akin na. Daway.
Oo nga.
Maan cute.
Ano yan? Oh, mag-ipon ka na daw.
Wow.
Sabi ni
Oh,
Ninong.
I'm gonna do my password.
Kuwan siya! Tubong! Alkansya!
Ipon na ha.
Ay, ipon na. You got a new piggy bank. It's a piggy bank.
It's not a piggy bank, it's a bank round.
How do you open this?
I think yan, open it.
Ayun, you cannot open
You're
it.
supposed to store money.
Yeah.
How do you open it?
When you need money, you push that one and money goes out.
First.
Later, we fix that one. Put it in box mo.
Next.
Next time. Ano pa?
Yes.
Oh, this one. Kanina to. From Lola, ay Tita Grass. Sino to?
Ate Grace.
Grace. Gayus and Gayus. Sorry naman. Sorry naman.
Oh, check.
Oh, yes!
Oh, matalinuhan ko.
Next one.
Next one agad. Ayaw mo ng chess. Ito, kanina to.
I don't know how to play that.
Ano to? Kanina to? Kanina to. Wait lang, tingnan natin. From Lolo, Roy, Lola, Len, and Ninang Rona.
Ito pa rin yung ano.
Careful.
That's high.
Sayang yung tali. Sayang yung tali.
Ito talaga ang tamang tao.
Oh.
Hindi siya pwedeng kumitin na natin.
Sayang.
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 Para sa next one.
Sayang.
Ganun naman. Yan na may destinator. Ganun naman.
Saan?
Sabihin na nabigyan yan siya.
Ano yan?
Ay, ganyan! Anatomy.
What's that? Let me see.
Either a doctor
Oh, so this is an X-ray machine. No. It's anatomy human body, yeah. Okay, this is parts of the brain. They want you to be a doctor.
Next one.
Next one daw. Ito next. Kanina to galing? Kay Tito Lolo Nel and family. Oh, dami.
Mas pa si Lolo.
Wow! Another school!
You say thank you to Tita Aish also.
Who's that one?
You say,
Wow! You opened it kanina to, di ba?
thank you.
Oh, later na.
I don't build it.
Yeah, later.
Oh, you
So this is from that Pienzo family. Yay! Kay teacher. At teacher Lenny.
Oh. Sabi dito, happy blessed birthday, Rain. May the Lord keep you healthy, safe, joyful, and full.
We're gonna open this.
Yeah, later.
And this.
Oh, Spider-Man also. Does it fit?
Good luck.
Oh, yeah.
Pwede yan?
Fit. Brown top.
Okay,
Yes.
next.
Next.
Okay, why is it
Ah,
flat?
kanina.
Connor!
Yeah, from Connor.
Your kickback.
Your sidekick, your Robin.
Wow.
Oh. Yeah, let me see. Oh, thank you.
Next one.
More from Kabiko family pa.
From...
I need next.
Wala na yan. Wala na ito.
Wala na open na.
Kasi na to, Kabiko family. So, kay Ninang Nika siguro to.
Okay. It's not one here. Wait,
Ang gigit ikaw. Can I see? Ay,
Wow! More of mommy, ano to?
Ay, this is what I want. Thank the Lord.
Next.
There, baby, yung mga big na wala nang bag.
Ayan.
Ako na ang gusto. Kasi ang gusto.
Oh, careful, careful. Yung kamay mo.
Ayun. Kay Ray.
Sige, puli na. Wala na gawin lang.
Hey, baby, yun na to.
Name kanino to? Kay Gias Cousins? Sila Malot.
Ito mama ako na.
Thank you, Tina Malot.
Yun niya rin yun.
Ninang na. Wala, tatanungin ko muna si Malot ka. Ninang ng bayan. Wow! Ato, may ana china, unod, tamo. Amala.
Baby, you show it. Camera.
Nagkon siya no, nag-deform doon sa baba.
Ano? Para siyang na ano?
Ano ba?
Nagawang display lang yung pagkikikin na lang.
Next.
From Lola Grace and Momo B.
Wow! Kay Lola Grace ulit, Lola Grace. Thank you po, Lola Grace. Yan, Emma. Dito na ako kami nito.
Ayun, ano?
Ano? Ang mata mo. What's that? What's that? What's that? Ang bowling ball. Oo. Nanda sa atrium nila na.
The biggest.
Oh, si Mission. Wow! Ay, ninang Haini ata to eh. Wow! 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 Oh my God!
Pang dito lang yan sa bahay, ha?
Wow! Wow! What do you say? Thank you! Wow!
Then, yes. Or kung nasira pa niyo.
Let's open the smallest
Si Jong
one.
walang regalo?
Wala.
What the heck, Jong?
What's the smallest one?
Wala na.
It's smaller one. What's the smallest one?
There's no more na, baby. I give you all the
Tama na. Ano ba?
Agad ka, ayusin ko, paupuin ko siya dyan. Ayusin ko lang. There's more.
Mamaya ka na rin magkalat. Bukas na daw. Matutulog daw muna tayo.
Ayusin muna natin, anak. Alisin ko lang lahat.
Ayan guys, okay na guys. So, bukas na yung sermon ng nanay niya. Nagkakalat muna kami. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Para pinasa sa bahay.
Tingka dito, tingka.
Thank you, everyone.
Lakasan mo. Thank you, everyone!
Thank you, everyone.
Ayong plastic.
Excited.